The 2009 Toyota Tundra with the 6-speed automatic transmission with Overdrive. This vehicle, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Toyota features premium wheels, front and rear side airbags, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include sliding rear window, premium sound, and cold weather package. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.